Hi everyone and welcome to my first video of my new series recreating Barbie hairstyles. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do Genevieve's hairstyle from Barbie and the 12 Dancing Princesses. And I really hope you guys like it, so let's just start. As always, we're going to start by brushing out the hair, making sure there aren't any knots. And in case anyone's wondering, I'll have the mannequin head linked down below because I always get so many questions about it. And then after we combed everything through, we're gonna part off a chunk of hair in the front of her face, like so, about this wide. This really depends on your hair and on your liking, really. You can make it as big or small as you want to. I'm just trying to get it as close to the original as possible. And now we're gonna part it into 3 and start braiding. You're gonna take the left strand and put it over the middle strand, and then you're going to take the right strand and put it over the middle strand. Now again, left strand over the middle strand and right over the middle strand. This is the pattern that you want to do, and that's basically how you braid. And now you can just keep doing this over and over again. I do have a more detailed tutorial on how to braid and just different braiding techniques, so I'll have it linked somewhere here on the screen. And you're just gonna keep braiding. You don't have to braid all the way down. It should be just long enough to reach the back of your head. And then you're gonna take an elastic and just secure it. Now you wanna do another braid on the other side of your head. So start by parting off a chunk of hair above your ear. This should be the same size as the one on the other side. And then you're also gonna comb it through and part it into 3 strands. So in the movie, the right and the left braids are slightly different. So for the left one, you're going to part it into 3, and you're going to take the right strand and put it under the middle strand. And now you're going to take the left strand and put it under the middle strand. So this is similar to a Dutch braid, and you can really do it to your preference. I think if I would do it on myself, I'd probably just do both of the braids the same way. But I'm just trying to get it as close to the original as possible, so just do whatever you prefer, and then also braid it and secure it with an elastic. Now you're going to part off a small chunk of hair at the back of your head, and you're going to take the braids from each side and place it over the chunk of hair. This just helps to keep the braids up at the back of your head so they don't slide down, and also it gives you some more hair and some more thickness for the following braid. Then just take an elastic and secure it, and if you do have shorter or thinner hair, I would recommend taking a little more hair and adding it to this ponytail in the middle. This will just give you the possibility to have a long and thick braid down the middle. Then you can go ahead and take out the elastics from the 2 braids and undo the braids and just comb through so there aren't any knots and the hair is nice and smooth. Now you can go ahead and take the ribbon of your choice. I am obviously taking a pink one, and then you can just place it behind the ponytail and just tie a bow around the elastic of your ponytail. Just make it nice and even. Take your time here and make sure you like the bow. And also, for those who are new here, I already have this series on TikTok. So if you do like this video and you want to see more, I would highly recommend checking out my TikTok because I've done a bunch of Barbie and also some Disney hairstyles. I'll have a link down below for you if you're interested, and also comment what I should do next. Once I'm happy with the way my bow looks, I'm just gonna go in and comb through the hair, and we're gonna do the same braid that we did on the right side. So you're gonna part it into 3 strands, and you're gonna take the right strand and put it over the middle strand, and then you're going to take the left strand and put it over the middle strand. So keep doing this pattern of putting the outer strands over the middle one. And you're just going to do this all the way down. Once you've braided all the way down, you're just going to take an elastic and secure the braid. Now just take all the hair with the braid, just make sure the braid is in front, And you're going to take an elastic and tie a big ponytail. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and carefully pull out the hair from the sides of the ponytail a little bit, like so, just to make it appear a little bit bigger. And now we're going to put in another elastic a couple of inches below the one that we've just put in. And again, you want to just pull out the hair a little bit to really give this like this bubble shape and make it look bigger. Then you can go ahead and take the ribbon of your choice and just tie it around the elastic. I'm just putting the knot in the back so you can't see it, but another way would be to use lash glue to glue it to the hair. This way you won't be able to see a knot in the back and it will probably last a little bit better. Then you can just go in and fix the bow at the top if necessary, and then you're done with the hairstyle. Let me know what you think and if this tutorial was helpful. I really hope you guys liked it. I put so much effort into it. And in a sec you're gonna see a side by side. I think it looks pretty close to the original. But yeah, let me see what you think and what you want to see next. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Bye!